Footbridge a hotel junction esi akofo on the way asquire no so nso asquire kama boys no school for no atimi apenti tech junction so young artists bi
what they call akwohwe ho
wan hwe ya o hwe ni bebra wait me akonya accident
Quantum o introduce
junction there na
money
my enshare
no na we driver ni na sa painting ni ade cost be
I very catchy
yes on here
obehia no
the kind of akopem
ya me na boaze okra no dua e single lane dia na nka head on collision be do so no ya manfo ya beautify dia kama
careful yemfa de e fe nyina nkodi akiri yes ah driver ni bia
yemfa nkodi akiri se ya beautify area no tell junction we omo shase no they say omo mo waye come we omo ina Ayigya Zongo boys ba artist say omo shase free community no na say ano in fact omo an shase ba omo shase no MC abemama wa supply omo with
paint amutumi de ye ni na wi ana paint kakra bi
was omo say wa supply omo with paint nti wasan konye obi aka omo a nipa na omo assurance paint on be hia bia no obetimi ayamom omo so omo be kwa other side no we ni one part na wo be bia station
but omo draw ayifo na omo hwe no munyi bi frim
there be state head of state there was omo di obi aba head of state there but the person here say this time no politicians ni face adoso I was say penya journalists omo aye architects engineers doctors na ye de omo ba
mayu microphone afrim mayu afrim manin kana semumi
there be any the heads of state the obo bro we head of state ye shazi afrim kroma there be say yam family ministers ma omo do so Ibrahim ene de obia obeye bia na de na to there be ntimi yibin film
Ibrahim unkamasem
Sergio nti omai but obi frame say ohwe store no so ofa ona in fact obo ma ba so afa but na o say obenya nanka yemfa doctors architects engineers journalists say yikura na make omo nso aye bibia boa oman no enye de bia na o say politician faces nkoa na o say ba o kai me ne ya adwene de ba we nkola ni dru a ebetimo omo nkruma ne unse bi mu afiri mu enim se nkruma ko Rollins ko Atamils ko enti se omo be hwe ayebe enti last one ogboro ne wo ho enti de ono nso be ba succeed no
race atoraze na nakwame oye adeye atopi the second so mahabadi no munim oh bisa ala pama onim but you know ne liam fast da kese pa former regional minister for that very
always say it was inspired by regions
omo say enye hanko onim say Ebri in the eastern region Ebri honum we now say Ebeposo what they call honum kra be a presidential EC
peduase
honum na yeah, paint now with some of these wonderful colors, and it's so good. Omo regional minister Rita Akosia, they are doing so well, and all these were inspired by the fact that the Ashanti regional minister taking that bold initiative. And in fact, Saturday we go there. You were regional minister Najumu down.
Yo.
Like I did friend say John, why should be say now man for a couple. Una no ma wo feel say I say Akoma. Unse Akoma ye no ma bi amount for copy. E ma unse de o ye no. O ye the right thing. Enti Ayekama boys no say omo nso a chia se but penim from pesika kakran fam
Akoma me na me ne entrance ni.
Okay.
Because the way kwa mo fa so a ba ko bi wo eyi ha more ha. Ba ko bi wo more inside her.
Yeah. Within a space of some few seconds, Bill. Now, no, try what to furnish, no, what draw. Come on.
Nyame adom next week. Me peba kwa bro. Me nya be 2 kra bro.
I'm also not coming to my
Now there's a picture no here so be.
And I say
I don't know me cause me as officer here.
Ne na nya pampam na po.
Na hifa.
Apampamu ni.
Na ho na hifa.
Ne mumma so. Tene mumma so asem.
Ono ne dende nkoma dende. But me pe bia but say the waka no.
Me pese me I want to understand how okay well so omodwuma me but the day ni omoya ne den.
Some of these people, I've ever had interaction with some of these people before. They take inspiration from so many things. And it might be brilliant. Anything that to me draw a debut or more on TSA, but it has a meaning, a particular meaning be to it. And you pay attention to the details of that particular painting. And never more what say ye pa. And yes, you think say be just the normal trivia because if you want more extra than your painting, but they won't be see no. Who pair now I say inspire because who be me more shop needing because who be and I had to buy it me turn very not anybody it was because the way a man must see and put ideas together thought together to me the yes particular painting it was so inspiring very inspiring and it tells a particular story
Inti eno ye
in fact boy when a lady or more artist bawa on but omo ye send the bear omo baby
jomu wi a ye mo madwuma nye o say
there be o say o man
o ye say ya I was say should I engage because there was a time na the Ghana at 50
yeah
Ghana 50 some bobo kabi will be say
no was a boys in and come be
ade ba kwa man ha adwen ne say omo ka say o kwese o kwakwa yes ade we ya ne bo no be kosoro because of the patronage omunya patronage ne wo form into onya ba ko so this sinikawu no making sure say all factors put together no okoto nyema na so de ba be ya ommo ka ne hunkum but say me kwakoye Sergio kwakoye Evans kwakoye Ibrahim kwakoye na ye dos ni na ye kwakoto paint ni bia the same paint so between there adwuma be 4 or 5 na e bo na ba form kakra but then am say nkofo hye dan ninje sa nyema we hunti no e ba patronage ne e wo form too much it's omo ho kire wo because you see some of these things a very romantic business pal very very romantic business but I mean how no say no you taking them be so serious
anyway
and oko other places to say how no say in kan ho no na share what mean to say na we paint you can't buy it
that's true
you can't buy it
anyway Sammy boko there
Sir John bibia boko na so e
dem nyabotre
na why na ye
enyo no na ye
waboa
Debbie Kaso waboa
now you say initiative
Debbie
or that honem pene so
ohene tie me obi fans ye nyim obi
no but I agree with him
ye nyi obi fans mo obi
facility public facility
entity
Footbridge ne public facility
entity ubo me ba board regional minister abaso
yeah
wono
yeah
and the idea ne ba
yeah that's true
and the aye ba we per the Ibrahim Okachire ye chese mrantie no ye se omo start ekono bet must stop me
yes
but me pesa wo ti ase say the o si ase ye mo na baso ye mfa
David abaso bo de ye mfa
baso bo ya mo no e wo de
me ba why are dey ba ke mo na painting on anka ho ye basa anka why na be bo ne so bo na so mo didi agro
enti no ye beka so atena ho ama na koso sa de anye but nyo no na aye we
why are dey ye beka mama ye be mana mo ba ye mo na baso
Sadat o se wa mo paint o support
enti wa
sate na ka paint no ko fa mo
enti me pese ye beji fan idea ni dey fans na politician bi be ko yi dey ma politician kwa ba yes obi onso otimi wa sha se no omwa
but the one no no eye wa ya de so abo
ende wa ya de
ye nyi fans ne mo
because na na
2008 a president Kufo be yes overhead here wo had mo say abinchi is it abinchi asafo die no obi e betwa music video ho no oko obi e betwa music video ho no oko enti e no be be another issue
e ho no e she zuba ase on ai asafo na ni ntimi nya bibi se ho
o say
da bi asafo de no de aye no de
ye betimi ye be fe
ye betimi but wo hwe de walls na si aye no a
enye hwe ye be kama
ba se ka fa so
o say
na ka fa so na paint na ye
ba se ka fa so de bi na aka
ka kra fa so na paint na ye paint ye betimi aye ama na ye fe
nti same kan asem
Sir John
afi to aso
okay
nti ko anim
mami chia of PV
waja asem ne ka
me jai kan na baby ase ba bi ke ya I say if I'm sorry